Okay, so here's the final box wiring. I moved the ringer wire, the doorbell wire, outside the box. There's no need for that to be inside the box since it's low voltage. And similarly, I pulled the output of the dimmable transformer to the outside. So that's what that looks like now. But I do still have the input neutral and hot going inside the box. Okay, so how does this go together? So for the pass-through, which is from the source to the load, I have these wire nuts wired to a single line to make it easier to work with. So I've got hot input to hot load to hot pigtail, and I have similarly I've got neutral, where is it here? I have down here with this one, I have neutral input to neutral load to neutral pigtail coming up here. And I have, with ground, I just have one input, one input, one load, and then rather than having a pigtail, I just connect it directly to the Leviton dimmer. Okay. So then on the hot pigtail, which is this guy here, he connects to the hot Leviton. On the neutral pigtail, I've got that connecting to the neutral Leviton. And then so that takes care of green, black, and white. Then on the dimmed output, I have that connecting to the transformer input. So that's going from here into, you can barely see it here, into this wire nut back here. That's one side of the input. The other side of the input is on the neutral pigtail. So I'm sorry, so the red dimmable goes to the hot input, and the neutral pigtail connects to the neutral input of the transformer. So that's this wiring nut here. All right, and then the rest of my connections are going to be low voltage on the outside of the box.